Ateti makionekana kwarira ndama ciao cia kiuteti mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027. Ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi nimoritie thirikari itigirire ni yahe kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IBC kigina kiiganu na wehanyukia mihango ya ubi wa kamiti no makiuga mihango eno yacererwo makiria muingi ni ugute mwihoko wao na honge iria cihokeirwo gutabania ithurano.
In terms of budgetary allocation, significant budgetary constraints risk undermining the IBC's ability to fulfill its mandate, and therefore timely allocation of sufficient resources is crucial for successful electoral planning and execution.
Ikundi ono ihinyiririe bata wa ateti kurumirira mawatho makonainie na uhuthiri wa mbeca cia kambeini hindi ya ithurano niguo gutigirira mbeca cia muingi itinahuthirwo na maundu ma andu kiumbe.
Election campaign finance bill needs to be processed to guide the election campaign finance regulations. Also, there is need for campaign financing regulations in 2027 to curb the use of illicitly gained or unexplained wealth in the campaigns and to curb the use of public resources.
Muingi kwaga kwiyandikithia gwikia kura ni undu gwetetwo gukorwo uri muhinga mihango-ini ya ithurano riu muingi ukihinyiririo wikuruhania mihango-ini ya ithurano.
National Registration Bureau must establish an expedited process for ID issuance targeting the youth between the ages of 18 and 25 years with clear timelines and also simplified processes. We are also calling for the reformation of the current ID application process by reducing the documentation requirements while maintaining necessary security measures.
Mihango ya mehariria ma githurano kinene igithiaga na mbere kwarirwo riu maitho mothe merekeirio bunge-ini cieri na ruhonge rwa wathani gutigirira bururi wa Kenya ni watabania githurano kinene na wigiririki na waragania.